10 DIY quick and easy home upgrades. Creating a warm and inviting home doesn't always require a hefty budget or professional assistance. In this article, we'll explore 10 DIY quick and easy home upgrades that are faster and easier than one might think. These budget-friendly ideas will not only enhance the aesthetics of your space, but also reflect your personal style. Dresser turn kitchen island. Turn that forgotten dresser into a mobile kitchen island. With the drawers ready for all your storage necessities and a spacious top surface for food prep, this DIY home decor idea is a game changer, especially if you're a cooking enthusiast dealing with a cozy kitchen space. DIY palette wall. Ever thought about jazzing up your space with a touch of rustic charm? Well, here's a DIY project that might just steal the show. Imagine turning those spare palettes into a stunning wooden accent wall for any room in your home. Bathroom caulk. As time goes by, the caulk around your bathroom and sink tends to wear out, and that might lead to annoying leaks. Grab yourself a caulking gun and give it a refresh every few years. This ensures a tight seal around your bathroom fixtures, and trust me, you don't want to deal with mold sneaking behind your walls. Wallpaper, accent, wall. Looking for a home upgrade that's easier than painting a whole wall? Try using wallpaper. It works wonders, maybe even better, in giving a room a chic makeover. This DIY project is perfect for spicing up just one wall or even your bathroom. Get creative with different patterns to find the look that suits your style. Closet organizer. Imagine having a clothes organizer. It might not be a showstopper for your guests, but the joy it brings to your daily life is priceless. No more rummaging through heaps of clothes or worrying about your favorite dress getting all wrinkled up. A straightforward closet organizer keeps everything neat and tidy, making your daily outfit quests way less stressful. Statement mirrors. Here's a classic trick for sprucing up your home: statement mirrors. It's a simple yet effective home renovation idea that can instantly elevate your space. Toss a mirror on the wall, and voila! The room magically appears more spacious. Ceiling fan. If you're on the quest to cut down on those energy bills, let me introduce you to the superhero of savings, the ceiling fan. In the summer, it's like a breath of fresh air, helping your AC chill out a bit. No more cranking up the radiator just to keep things toasty. A ceiling fan is not just a home appliance. It's your ally in the battle against energy costs. Stair brackets. Elevate the elegance of your staircase by adding some decorative stair brackets. Whether you prefer a simple or highly adorned design, these little details can showcase the beauty of your stairs and banisters. For more information, visit the links in description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.